Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we've got our 21 F150 here in the shop, and we've shown you how easy it is to install our premium in-dash switch to power your Spartan and Paladin LED bars. Now this switch is alloy, plus it's got a dual LED ring, blue when the light bar is off, which is going to match all your forward interior lighting, and then when you press the button to turn your bar on, it's got a green ring so that you know it's powered on. They're extremely easy to install, and we show you how it's done right now. The first thing we want to do is remove this stick-on switch and slide it out of the way. Now you get to decide where you want to mount your new switch, but we're going to use the exact same spot. But before we drill through for our flush mount, we got to make sure there's nothing on the other side. So you'll be able to just pull down on this trim piece. It's just got some push-in compression tabs, and they'll release. And you just want to make sure, look on the other side, that you're going to have an opening like we see here, so that we can mount our switch and not be worried about damaging anything that's behind this plastic trim piece. So now what we need to do is take our 7/8 circular bit here, and we're just going to center it up and drill right where that other switch used to be. Okay, now that we've got our hole made, we'll be able to take our premium switch. We're just going to take the lock ring off. So slide it off the back like so. And then just go ahead and take it off the harness connector side. Now we're going to go ahead and run this connector through our new hole. Go ahead and put the lock ring back on like so. Thread your switch into place, and then push it up through. It's gonna be a little tight, and that is what you want. You don't want this thing moving around once you get it installed. Okay, now we're gonna slide our lock ring over all our cabling here and tighten it down over the threads on the back side of our switch. Once we've got that tightened all the way, we'll thread this end of our harness connection side down our steering wheel column. And we'll be able to connect it there to our harness. But before we do that, let's push our dash cover panel here back into place with those compression tabs. There we go. Now we'll make our connection in our footwell here to our harness, and then we'll be done. Now we can disconnect our old switch from our harness side here and pull it out. We won't need that any longer. Now we can take our new in-dash switch connector here and plug it into the harness side. Okay, and then as we can see over here, we've got our blue ring light, which is going to look awesome at night and match our Ford OEM lighting. And this is when it's in off mode. When you press the button, it stays depressed and turns green, letting you know that the light bar is active. I can definitely see the light is on out there, so we are good to go. So that's all there is to installing our F150 LEDs premium in-dash switch on your Ford F150 or Super Duty truck. They're very universal, giving you flexibility on where you install them, and they fit on almost every single model Ford truck out there. You can check them out at F150LEDs.com, where you'll find all of our custom-built LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford F-150 and Super Duty truck. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, guys.